Hi everybody, this is Greg, and he is going to show us his Vagabond today. And Greg, what year is it?
It's a 1954 Vagabond.
And what's the length?
It's 30 foot long and it weighs 5,260 pounds. Had it weighed 2 weeks ago.
Okay, so you know the exact. So we're going to go inside. It's a little windy. Oh, and this is
That's Prince. He's security
down
dog.
there.
He don't let nobody come or go.
Security. He's letting me though.
Yeah.
Okay.
He loves everybody.
So this has all been redone in here?
Every bit of it's completely tore down and replaced. And the couch turns into a big bed.
The wood is just so beautiful.
It's all new birch ceiling. And we did a beadboard walls just to give a little contrast.
So do you have somebody like that helps you do the campers when you redo them?
This is only my second one. I've been in construction 30 years and love working with wood and building stuff. So I'll get usually a neighbor or one or two other people to help me out, and my son helps.
And this flips up here?
Yeah, that'll.
So you extend your counter.
Yeah, that's one thing nice here is a lot of counter.
Yeah.
That's
cool.
That part's all original. This is original in the top cabinets.
Now, what's the opening down there?
That's the breaker box and I think it's a transformer. It gets hot, so you had to put ventilation there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That's where we did all the wiring in. We got 12-volt wiring.
Okay.
It's got a complete 12-volt system and a 110 system.
I mean, you could put a couple recliners in here still.
Oh, yeah.
Except that pulls out to a bed, so you don't want to block the space.
When it comes to a bed, it'll come to about here.
Okay.
And we didn't bring the table this time. There's a kitchen table you can sit right here.
Mm-hmm.
And two people sit on it.
Very usable.
Yeah.
You got your old toaster. Yeah. The original sink.
Yeah, original sink, original counter. This part here is all custom. It was a stove.
Like an oven with an oven. Okay.
We did the.
Oh, you put the microwave in there.
Got the modern oven. And the 2-burner.
And that's all you need.
Oh, yeah.
Unless you're baking cookies.
Yeah, I don't do that too much camping.
Now, and this is an air conditioner up here?
Yep. And that will
is it heat pump too, or just air conditioner?
No, I didn't do the heat pump system.
Okay. And then the fridge is a retro one.
Yeah.
That's a good size.
Yeah, 7.5 straight from Home Depot. They nice.
Yeah. And then back here, all this storage, is that original or did you build this in, these drawers?
That's all built in.
Wow.
And these are full open drawers. They'll come all the way out.
Lots of room. I remember those old medicine cabinets.
Yeah, Here, I'll show you how high the dog ranks up. That's his cabinet.
The dog gets his own cabinet.
Yeah, put on dog food and medicine.
And then you got a big shower here. I say big for a camper.
Oh, yeah,
Look at that vanity. Oh my gosh, look at the sink.
It's all custom done.
Where'd you find that sink?
An old man that was a plumber retiring had that. He posted it online. I drove about an hour and a half to get it.
Is it copper?
Yeah.
Wow.
I said, that will fit this camper perfect.
Yes. And you have a basketball. That's an odd place for a basketball.
Yeah.
Is there a story?
No, it was just here. It was on the dresser, and my buddy brought it, but there's no other place.
Okay.
I just threw it down there today.
And a flush toilet. And that's your shower?
That's the toilet wash.
Oh.
Yeah, the shower. Put that up.
Oh, you got a fancy shower.
Yeah.
And what's this for? This is to wash out the toilet?
Yeah. When you flush it.
Yeah, I've never seen one of them. And you could use it as a bidet if you want to flush yourself.
If you want to do that too. If you have an accident, you can wash off.
Yeah. Look at this. Is that headboard? That's original?
Yeah, it's original back there.
That's vinyl.
Yeah.
Wow. I love the curves in the I've filmed a couple other Vagabonds. I don't think they were this old. But I love the curves.
Yeah,
what year is this?
1954. Oh, it's a little darker tint. That's the original wood was all taken down, sanded down, redone, and then put back up.
Wow, that's labor intensive.
Oh, this whole, you don't count time when you do something like this.
No.
And you see here we got the blue lines. That's where it's going to be an end table there, a little taller.
Okay.
That's my next to-do project.
All right, and then you're going to put sconces up here?
Yeah.
The wiring for
Yeah,
them.
got them, and then window trims. Be putting. I got all the trims. Got to strip them down to repaint them.
And what are these here?
This is the shine with the spotlight is on the ceiling.
Okay.
Those
Little
are,
puck lights.
yeah, and they're all dimmers.
Okay.
And then this is the outside light switch.
So, yeah, and you have a back door here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, did this have a screen? The other one I did had a wooden screen door.
Screen would have came out here. Just something in the way though.
Yeah.
I don't think they'd ever use it.
Yeah, and you can't do a pocket door there because of the window.
Yeah, it used to be pocket
now,
doors
what's
here.
all this here? You have solar or something?
No, this is the thermostat for the AC.
Okay.
This is all the controls for the holding tanks.
All right.
And this is the hot water heater.
Okay.
You can preset the tankless hot water heater. Then more dimmer switches.
So you got those things modernized.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff went in this little channel here.
Here's the view from got the spare tire.
Yeah.
Really nice, Greg. What's your favorite thing about this camper?
That I get to use it.
Get to use it. That's a first answer. Haven't heard that one before.
That I get to use it.
What's your least favorite thing?
The days I can't use it.
Yeah.
No, I really don't have one. I've only used it. This is the third trip. I got a few more planned.
Mm-hmm.
But it's only third trip in it.
And it's a work in progress.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, mainly window trims, and this cabinet here we just made that last Saturday. And that's for open that up and you've got the trash can in there.
So it's hidden.
Yeah.
So everybody, this is a thing that, when you're redoing one of these old campers, you can use it before it's done. Once it's safe to take on the road, get out there and use it. And then work on it as you go.
Last November we went for the first trip and we had none of these cabinets. All the bottom cabinets weren't there.
Mm-hmm.
I said, we're going camping. The hot water heater wasn't working. We're going camping.
Yep.
Get in it and go enjoy it.
I don't have hot water in my camper ever. So
you
heat it up with an electric kettle or something.
If you're waiting for that perfect checklist, you won't ever go.
Yeah.
But we just did this. Got the TV mounted.
So what's your advice to somebody that's going to get an old vintage camper and redo it?
Enjoy it.
What would your tip be?
Take your time, one step at a time. One project at a time.
Yeah.
Don't count your hours when you do it. And don't count how much money you spend on it.
Yeah, you just have to do it.
Because if you do count either one of them, you'll quit.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Greg.
All right, you're welcome.
And everybody, hit that thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. We have an add-on here. We forgot to talk about the outside. So go ahead and tell me.
The outside is camouflaged, work in progress. Hopefully this year it'll get painted on the outside.
And you haven't decided what color yet?
No, I ain't decided. Got this one big clean spot. There was graffiti on that when I got it, so we had to strip that off. Mm-hmm. And that was 4 hours to get that stripped.
And where did you find it?
I found it about 35 minutes from the house.
Was it just like on Marketplace or Craigslist or something?
Yeah, a young kid had it, and he said he knew what he had, but he didn't. But he actually went to school where I worked at. And I found that out when I went there and met him and got talking to him. I said, I recognize you. Mm-hmm. And he had a plaque on the wall in there that said Class 48. I said, I want that plaque. Then I came back and looked at the thing and said Tar Heel Challenge Academy Class 48. The school I worked at.
Okay.
And yeah, I ended up buying it from him. But it was about 30 minutes from the house. And yeah, we drug it home. And I'll literally say we drug it home.
So he has a lot of work to do on the outside, but again, you get to use it. You just get out there and use it. Don't wait for it to be perfect. And you wanted to show me something on the back end?
Yeah, we replaced the back license plate lights and everything. Yeah, these are off. That's off a 39 Chevy.
Wow. Do they work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Then they got the stock octagon lights.
And what were you going to tell me about the trunk here?
The original doors, they had a serial number on here.
Mm-hmm.
When I got it, there was no door. So there's no serial numbers. But the original doors were straight. I don't know if the video showed that. This is curved.
Okay.
So I got out there and made a curve.
From this side.
Yeah, I made the curved door to match the radius.
I don't know if you can see that. Then I found out
a few months later when I seen that real Vagabond, it was a straight door. You go straight there and then straight up here, and it was like it was an afterthought.
So is it all going to be one color, or you don't know yet?
Not sure yet. That's still up in the air. But the biggest problem right here, all this original paint is still peeling.
Oh, so you have to get all that off.
Yeah.
So tell us in the comments, what color would you paint this trailer?
I actually had a lady suggest the other night a light blue. If you look at the bicycle here,
Like a silver blue.
the silver blue. We were discussing it, and she's seen the bike and says that would be perfect. It'd go with the silver for the windows.
So it's like a teal.
Yeah. And that's what we're thinking about that, and then maybe silver up top.
That would be pretty.
Yeah.
What do you think, guys? What color should he paint it?
Put your comments on it. I'm open for suggestions.
Yep, and I will relay them to him, and he might read the comments and see them himself. It's always good when the owners watch the video back, because there's usually questions, and then they can answer the questions.
Yeah, no problem there. I watch a lot of your videos you've done. I've seen them.
Well, I appreciate that. All right, everybody. Bye for the second time. See ya.